Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you a simple drill that you can do to build strong legs that's easy on your joints. In fact, it's good for your joints and makes your back feel good too. All we're going to do is we're going to rock on one leg, and we've done this before, but if you haven't done it before, all you need to do is stick one leg out behind you, and you can use it like a kickstand. You don't have to hold it in the air. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. And you rock back and forth. Now what we're going to do to add to this and to strengthen our legs, or to allow our legs to get stronger, we're going to lift our knee up off the floor, and we're going to rock back and forth here. Simply elevating your body now puts a lot more tension and time under tension in your muscles, but it makes these muscles work harder. And what you'll find is about 5 to 10 rocks in, your leg's going to blow up like a water balloon, and it's going to feel like it's going to pop, which is good because it's putting a lot of oxygen in your leg, so it can help tissues heal, and well, the extra load helps that leg get stronger without a lot of stress to the knee and the hips. And they're moving, your hips and your knees are moving through a good full range of motion, and we're putting all that blood flow down into the leg. It's a great way to keep your joints healthy. The extra bonus is that it makes your back feel good, or it gives your back the opportunity to feel better than otherwise would if you didn't do it. And what you may find is if you engage in this drill, that stiff backs or achy backs, they just kind of melt away. So that's a bonus. But wait, there's more. If you act right now, we'll throw in the other leg for absolutely free. So what I'm saying is, you need to do both legs. Well, you should do both legs, otherwise you just like walk in circles all day and it's really hard to get where you're going. So do the other leg, put one leg behind you like a kickstand again, pick your knee up off the ground, and just rock back and forth. That's it, that's our simple drill. Simply take that knee off the ground, rock back and forth, put a lot of blood flow in your leg, and listen, this is still rocking, still great for your shoulders, that extra, because you're up in the air, there's extra tension on your shoulders too. Make sure rotator cuffs work a little bit harder. They get a little bit more stability training in there. You're still teaching your hips and your shoulders how to move together in unison with one another. It's a tremendous drill, a great way to make your legs a little bit stronger without putting stress on your joints, and it feels amazing, especially when you stop and you let that blood kind of get out of your leg. But it still feels amazing. That's AH hyphen dash. It's a dash more. Amazing. AH dash amazing. All right, that's our tip for this week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
If you're not moving as well as you want to, look for an Original Strength professional near you, or come to one of our Pressing Reset workshops. You can find them both on our website, originalstrength.net.